I brought my brother with me. We're gonna hike it in, pick a spot, just a random spot.
Put my hat backwards to make this know that it's all business now.
It's all business here. To a campsite. It was a pretty good spot, but then some people came right up to us and they like wanted to camp near us. They had dogs and everything. Look at that roaring, rolling boil. We got one. We get our little stick spoon here in a second. Coffee in the morning, that's all you need. Civil War, so this is a farm where they had once people had slaves, which is a terrible thing here at Cedar Hill State Park. Maybe just try to put yourself in that time of history, you know, this farm here. Really cool hike for anybody. It's because there's lots of stuff to look at. Old farm tools, old farm houses. That old farm was built in 1859. It's the oldest building here on Cedar Hill State Park, so definitely very cool to check out. A lot of history, good for education.